a distributor, but we're also a repacker. So we bring in bulk material via rail car or tanker, and then we repackage it to smaller sizes. We'll take 5 different tanks, put them all into one blend tank, mix that tank around, then repackage that. Or we'll give you a straight product. There is really nothing we can't do. We can dye it red, we can make it smell like grapefruit. Whatever someone wants, whether that's for the paint and coatings industry, cleaning, soaps, you name it. Everything there is full, and that every drum there, all the black drums have been filled here at EMCO with the Blackmer pump. So when designing our new facility at EMCO Chemical, we decided to go with the Blackmer pump pretty much based on reliability. It met our application, and the team approach that Blackmer and Anderson brought to the table. We felt it would be a great partner for this project.
Well, I feel that Blackmer is the best fit for our application here at EMCO. As far as the maintenance side of it goes, it's a very simple pump to take care of and maintain. You know, we've had great success with this pump. It takes very little parts to keep the pump running, and we have a short, supply of stock that keeps us ready to go. If we have any kind of failure, we can rebuild this pump in a short time and have it back online. So that's very important to our business.
Everyone's got the wonder pump, you can do this, but it's if you can stand behind the product. You know, and Mark calls me if there's an issue or whatever, and we take care of it the best we can. So.
When EMCO Chemical went up to tour the Blackmer facility, the fact that it was American made, we saw the foundry, we knew there'd be the quality we were expecting, it was a big selling point for us.
You know, partnering up with people that you can depend on when there are challenges, and there are challenges in business, there always are, and there always will be. We've just settled in with a great relationship and partnership with Blackmer Pump and Anderson Pump, and we're really fortunate to have somebody like that in our hip pocket. So whenever we need some help, they're there for us. Again, in 32 years, I've seen a lot of pumps. Some have come and gone. Some have been very inefficient. Some have been very troublesome and just a nightmare for the maintenance department here at EMCO. This thing is the way the Blackmer pump performs is just something that we're really pleased with. When you can partner with companies like Blackmer Pump, you can go to bed at night thinking that, okay, we're covered. We got everything covered. We got the best of the best in this facility. It's a modern plant. It's an American. We try to do everything with American-built products, and this was kind of a step for us in the right direction to just bring it all together. So we're real pleased with the way the facilities come together. I'm proud of the way the facilities come together. I can't wait to bring people in here and show them what we've accomplished with the help of people like Blackmer.
PSG, where innovation flows.